Hello students, today we are discussing about fractions. Here we are discussing that first the type of fractions. First of all we should know how many types or what type of fractions are. What do you mean by fraction first of all? When we are writing the number in the form of p by q, suppose I am taking up one number in a up above this line and one number below this line. This above the line is called numerator and below the line this is called a denominator, and this is called division line. Which line divides numerator and denominator? This is called division line, जो इन दोनों को डिवाइड कर रही है. एक सिंपल नंबर्स हैं जैसे 1/2. हम हाउ टू रीड इट? 1/2. 1 इज़ अ न्यूमरेटर, 2 इज़ अ डिनोमिनेटर. दिस लाइन इज़ कॉल्ड डिवीज़न लाइन. ठीक है, जब भी हम किसी नंबर को इस फॉर्म में लिखते हैं दैट इज़ कॉल्ड फ्रैक्शन. फ्रैक्शन इज़ ऑलवेज लेस देन 1. क्यों? क्योंकि हम किसी चीज़ में से कुछ पार्ट निकाल रहे हैं. सपोज दिस इज़ अ सर्कल and this is a one circle. now I am dividing into two parts. ठीक है, तो इसमें से हमने अगर one part color कर दिया, one part is color out of two, that is called fraction. it is called fraction and it is always less than whole. whole तो हमारा पूरा ये सर्कल था ना, जिसमें से हमने हाफ सर्कल को क्या किया? कलर कर दिया. तो it is always less than 1. Is that clear to everyone? Now there is a type of fractions. Type of fraction. Now we can write down any number in the above this line or below this line. Now we are saying that if I am writing 1/2, 3/4, 5/6, 8/9. Now this type where the numerator is smaller than denominator, this is called proper fraction. इनको क्या कहते हैं हम? प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. सपोज ओके. नाउ अगर हम इसी को रिवर्स कर दें 2/1, 4/3, 6/5, 9/8. अब हमारा न्यूमरेटर जो है बड़ा है डिनोमिनेटर से, सो दिस इज कॉल्ड इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. Got it? Now the next type, this is the first proper fraction, second is improper fraction, third if the numerator is 1 and denominator is we are taking up a denominator different than numerator. in a numerator we have only 1 as a numerator. ठीक है, जिसमें सब में हमारा numerator 1 है और denominator different है. these are called unit fractions. नेक्स्ट इज सपोज अभी हमारा न्यूमरेटर सेम था. सपोज आई एम टेकिंग अप डिनोमिनेटर सेम. हमारे न्यूमरेटर डिफरेंट है पर डिनोमिनेटर सेम है. इट इज़ लाइक फ्रैक्शन. देन नेक्स्ट इज दिस इज फोर्थ नंबर एंड नाउ फिफ्थ इज वेयर द न्यूमरेटर is anything else and denominator is something else. मतलब हमारा न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर कुछ भी मैच नहीं कर रहा है. then we are called it unlike fractions. I think you understood all the type of fractions. now how to compare the fractions. first thing, अगर हमारे पास like fraction होंगे, suppose I am taking up 3/4 and 2/4. denominator same है. we have to just compare the numerator. 3 is greater than 2, so these are we can do easily. like fraction is directly we can write down the answer. but now in class 5 we have unlike fraction to whom we have to convert into like and then we have to compare. Now if I am taking up comparing of fractions, but these are all unlike fractions, so how will we take up? Suppose I am taking up 1 by 2, 2 by 3, and we have to compare whether it is which one is greater than which one. Like 1 by 2 is there, 2 by 3 is there, दोनों का डिनोमिनेटर डिफरेंट है. अब हमारे पास जब भी कंपेयरिंग करनी है, और आइदर वी हैव टू राइट डाउन असेंडिंग और डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. ठीक है, जब भी हमें कंपेयरिंग करनी है या असेंडिंग डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर लिखना है, व्हाट विल वी डू? We have to take up, if they are unlike fractions, we have to make their denominator same. For that we are taking up LCM of denominators. We are taking a LCM of denominator, not a numerator. Please remember this thing, we have to take the LCM of denominator. अब हम 2 और 3 का LCM लेंगे. We'll start from 2, 2 ones are 2, 3 is not coming in the table of 2, so we'll write down as it is. Now we'll take up 3, so 2 into 3 that is 6. This is the LCM. अब जो हमारा फ्रैक्शंस है, कोई भी फ्रैक्शन है, उसके डिनोमिनेटर को हमें 6 बनाना है. हाउ वी हैव टू मेक इट 6? बाय मल्टीप्लाइंग बाय एनी नंबर. ये 6 है तो 2 को हम 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, that is 6. So we have to multiply numerator also by 3. So it comes 3 by 6. Next number is 2 by 3. तो हमें 2 by 3 में भी यही करना है, हमें डिनोमिनेटर को 6 बनाना है, तो वी आर मल्टीप्लाइंग बाय 2. सो इट इज़ कमिंग 4 by 6. ठीक है, तो विच वन इज़ ग्रेटर नाउ, 3 by 6 और 4 by 6? टेल. 4 by 6 is greater than 3 by 6 because denominators are same. Now we have to compare the numerator. The same process will goes in ascending, in descending, in addition and in subtraction. We have to do the same process. Now I am taking up ascending and descending. Now for this ascending and descending we are taking up 3 numbers. Like I have taken up, suppose I want to write down in a ascending or descending order. ठीक है, 1 by 2, 3 by 6 and sorry I am taking up 3 by 8, 4 by 9. I am taking up a little bit difficult so that you all will understand how to do ascending order of these. Now what will we do? First of all we will see whether it is a like fraction or unlike fraction. We have to just check it whether it is a like fraction or unlike fraction. Now the answer is, I know everyone knows this, that it is a unlike fraction because the denominators are different. So now what will we do? We will take up the LCM of denominator 2, 8 and 9. हम LCM किसका लेंगे? 2, 8 और 9 का. Now 2, 8 और 9, हम 2 के टेबल पे जाएंगे. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. 9 will not comes in the table of 2, तो हमें as it is copy करना है. Then again we'll go for 2, 2 twos are 4, 9 as it is. Then again we will go for 2, 2 ones are 2 and 9 as it is. Now 9 comes in the table of 3. Please use only prime numbers to do LCM and HCF, otherwise your question will get wrong. तो हमारा LCM 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now 2 twos are 4. 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. 8 multiplied by 3 is 24. 24 multiplied by 3 is 72. So our LCM becomes 72. Now when we have got the LCM 72, now we have to compare. Now we have to make their denominator as 72. Now what will we do? We'll do we are taking up 1 by 2, 3/8 and 4/9 सेपरेटली। अब हमें इनके डिनोमिनेटर्स को 72 बनाना है। नाउ in table of 2 when comes 72, we know we can easily do the half of 72, so it is 36। तो हम न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर को 36 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, तो इट कम्स 36/72। नाउ नेक्स्ट नंबर इज़ 3/8। 8 को हम 9 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तब हमारा 72 होगा, तो हमें न्यूमरेटर को भी 9 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा। इट इज़ 72। नाउ 4/9, 9 को हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, किससे मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा, 4 से। सॉरी, वी आर मेकिंग 72, सो 8 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा। तो ये ऑल्सो विल मल्टीप्लाई बाय 8। 8 4s are 32 डिवाइडेड बाय 72। नाउ वी कैन कंपेयर। अगर हमें असेंडिंग लिखना है, वी विल राइट डाउन इन फ्रंट ऑफ दिस 1, क्योंकि 27 बिकॉज ऑल द डिनोमिनेटर्स आर सेम, तो हमें 27 is smallest, then 32, then 36. So if we have to write down ascending order, we write down 27/72 is less than 32/72 is less than 36/72. While we have to write down the descending order, we just write down the reverse of this. I hope you understand this all. Now the question for homework is 1/9, 3/12 and 4/16. We have to arrange this in a descending order. Please write down the answer in comment. That after solving it, please send the answer in comment box, so that I will also understood that you all are getting whatever I am teaching here. Thank you.